welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this morning we're going to International Beach Cleanup or Coastal Cleanup. A coastal cleanup or beach cleanup? Okay, coastal cleanup. I'm going with the Circle K at this little girl's school, and they're gonna be cleaning up the beach. I usually do this in high school, but I got UCC. I don't remember if I went when I was in university, but I used to go all the time in high school. So we're gonna be doing that today. We're waiting on the others to come. They said 6:30. What time is it now? It's 6:26 now, and we're the only two here. So yeah. Anyways, so just chilling and waiting on the others to come. Hopefully they come on time, and we can go and come back and everything. So yep. Alright, so it's like 10 minutes to 8, and we're just leaving to go to the place. Like, it's annoying, so annoying. Yeah, so we're going on the bus now, and we'll see you when we get there. Alright, so we're here. We look like a crazy person, but she look even crazy. Why should I admire me? Why admire me? But yeah, the sun kind of acts still. My ear no comb for put on hat, but you know, it's working. So yeah. Let's believe that people are already here cleaning and we just reach and stand up and go and mix and mingle, like it's a social event, you know, like we're networking. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm just waiting for the leader to take control of the situation. But we'll see. So we're picking up now. We reached late, so basically everything almost finished, and it annoyed me. And then people there argue over who don't have gloves, who have this, and who cannot do this, and who cannot do that. And I'm like, bro. But anyways, we're trying to find what we can find now and see as much as we can. So. Alright guys, so I think we're finished for the day. I didn't feel like I accomplished much because we were late. Yeah, we were late, and then by the time we got here, everybody else was here already, almost everybody else, and then they were picking up a lot of stuff. So basically we only get like 2 bags of garbage, and that's like
12 kg.
Yeah, like 12 kg, and that's not a lot compared to what other persons got and stuff. But all in all, yeah, compared to what we used to get basically. So. But next year again, we're gonna come back and it should be better. Hopefully they're early this time, like keeping our fingers crossed and everything goes good. So we just got patty and water Gatorade. But anyways, that's the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.